flip, flip. She flips the book's pages. They will flip the card over to reveal the answer. Fart, fart. He farted loudly in the middle of class. She always farts when she eats beans. Float, float. To stay on the surface of water or air. The balloon floated in the air. The boat floats on the river. Frown, frown. To make a facial expression showing unhappiness or confusion. He frowned when he heard the bad news. She frowns when she is confused. Feast, feast. They feasted after the celebration. We will feast during the festival. Fade, fade. To slowly lose color or brightness. The colors faded after washing the shirt. The light will fade as the sun sets. Flourish, flourish. To grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way. The plants flourished in the garden. Her business flourishes with new customers. Fuse, fuse. To join or blend two or more things together. The two companies fused last year. The bones will fuse together as they heal. Fascinate, fascinate. To attract someone's attention or interest. The magician fascinated the audience. The science experiment will fascinate the students. Flap, flap. To move up and down like a bird's wings. The bird flapped its wings and flew away. The flag flaps in the wind. Forgive, forgive. She forgave him for his mistake. He forgives quickly and moves on. Flirt, flirt. To behave in a way that shows romantic or playful interest in someone. She flirted with him at the party. He flirts with her every time they meet. Frolic, frolic. Play or move about in a cheerful and lively way. The children frolicked in the park. They will frolic on the beach all day. Fuss, fuss. To worry or show excessive concern about something unimportant. He fusses about his clothes every morning. You will fuss if things are not perfect. Fumble, fumble. To handle something clumsily or awkwardly. He fumbled with his keys at the door. She fumbles for the right words when she's nervous. Fib, fib. To tell a small harmless lie. He fibbed about finishing his homework. They will fib just to make you laugh.